Hey there, welcome back to our Figma course. In this series, we are trying to learn Figma as a developer and try to gain some confidence so that we can work on our client project confidently. Let's go ahead and get started. All right, so we have written something. First of all, delete this shape. I really don't like the colors. Let's delete this text also. Click on this T, and now we can write anything whatever we like, but it's very small, we cannot say it. No problem, no problem, just click outside. You will see that it got selected from all of the sides. Now we can change its size, colors and styles. How do we do it? Well, once I click outside, it will get auto selected. What do you mean by auto selected, Ajmin? Let's click on outside and then select it. So we manually had to select it, right? But when we write anything and if we click outside, it will get automatically selected. Means we don't need to just once we click outside, it will not be like this. It will also, once I click it select, it will also select it for us on its own. Okay, anyways, too much of basic things. Now on the right side we see that we have some sort of number and under this text menu, so we can click on this little arrow icon and we can change it. We can click on 32 and we can click on 20 again. If I take my mouse to this, we will see we have size till 128. So let's click it. We will see that it went outside of our page. We don't want to do that. Let's take it, drag it, and yeah, hola, we have text in our page. For the next one, let's do it. Let's give it how much? Maybe 80. Yeah, again in the center, please come in the center. You are really good guy. So we can change the size. What if I want to change color? We know it. Just scroll on the right side, click on fill, change your color. What if I want to give a border color, Ajman? You already know it. Select it, scroll down, click on plus stroke, and maybe you want to give blue color. So just give your color and then click here. Maybe you want to give 10. It's very ugly. Maybe you want to give 4. Maybe you want to delete the fill color, delete it however you like. So you can change the color of your text, but this looks really boring. Let's try to change the style. Click on this enter and you will see a lot of designs here. You don't need to click on anyone, just take your mouse cursor on top of the style. So I like this one. Okay, no, it's bad. This one a little good. This one, maybe this one. Scroll down, we have so many styles. This no, not this one. This one, maybe. What I'm trying to say is we have so many fonts here, styles. Basically we can choose anyone we like. It's up to us. And now if I try to increase it beyond 120, it's up to you. Just give 350, that's it. But it's going outside of the page, isn't it? Even if I draw it, no, then left side. So give the size. If I want to keep it 350 for some reason, and also I want to fit in inside my page, then we can do one thing. What we can do, Ajmin? First of all, okay, this way. First of all, this way, and then you can do one thing. You can first of all zoom out your page. How do we zoom out? You can click on Ctrl minus on your keyboard, it will zoom out. You can click on Ctrl plus, it will zoom in. But can we use our mouse to zoom in and out? We can just click on our control. In case you are on Mac, just click on command and hold it, and then you'll see it zooms in and zoom out, right? And also you'll see that on top right you can change the zoom in, maybe zoom out. So this way you can basically zoom in and zoom out your page. Now once I take my mouse on the right side, you will see that it become like this. Click it and drag it, so it will be coming under two lines. It's 350 inside the page and it's on two line now. If I want to take my text in the center, just click on the center, maybe on the right side. It's up to us however we want to design our text. We can give it colors, we can give it size, we can fit in our page, we can change styles, we can give stroke, a lot of things. I really want you to practice this text thing a little bit more so that you get familiar and you understand the following lectures. Thank you so much, and I hope I will surely catch you up in the next one.